Sometimes we need to perform calculations involving dates. We will look at 3 date functions that can be very helpful. Uma's first problem is that she would like to be able to see the current date displayed in the workbook. There are actually 2 functions that can help us with this. Today returns the current date. Now returns the date and time. Let's have a look at the now function first. Click in cell N1, type equals now, open brackets, close brackets. Although we will never put anything within the brackets for the now function, we still follow the syntax rules which state that a function name must be followed by brackets. Press enter and confirm that this is the same date and time as your computer. Uma's next problem is more interesting. She needs to work out how long each staff member has worked for the company. She has their start date, and we now have a way of working out today's date. So all we have to do is subtract start date from today's date. Click in cell G4. Type equals today, open brackets, close brackets, minus cell F4, the start date. Enter. 3,374. That's a long time. It's important to understand that arithmetic using dates returns the answer in number of days. Correct, but not very helpful. We could solve the problem by dividing the result by 365.25. But there is an easier way, and it's called YEARFRAC. This function returns the difference in dates in years. Click in cell G4, type equals YE, down arrow, tab. Note the prompts. First we need the start date, which is the date of hire, followed by a comma to specify the next argument, the end date, which is today, TO, tab, close brackets for the today function, close brackets for the YEARFRAC function, and enter. Double-click the fill handle in cell G4 to get the years of service for all employees. The next thing that Uma needs to do today is to get the date for the next review for each employee. This is a year since the last review. Click on cell I4, type equals H4, the date of last review, plus 365, which is the number of days since the last review. Enter, and double-click on the fill handle in cell I4 to get the date of next review for each employee. To recap, we have looked at 3 date functions: now and today, which return the current date, and YEARFRAC, which lets us calculate the number of years between 2 given dates. This is just a small sample. Don't be afraid to browse through the function library. Go to the Formulas tab and click on Date and Time, and see what other useful date and time functions are available.